It is Newstalk Breakfast with me, Anton Savage. If you found that slightly unsettling, bear with it. There's a lot of change this week. Shane Coleman and Ciara Kelly, somewhere as we speak, sleeping softly in their beds. They're going to be with you later on in the day for the hard shoulder. And of course, Claire Byrne is picking up for her first show from 9 to 12. And we are with you between now and 9. And between now and 9, a lot to come. Well, can I ask on that, actually? There may be some who will listen to that and who will say, well, that is therefore an act of God. It is something that happens in the area and has since time immemorial. So how is it the responsibility of the state?
I don't believe it's. I don't talking about a hand of God. If the hand of God did not reject the flood scheme, ministers did.
And whatever about, Valerie, people feeling a degree of sympathy for the clients of hairdressers who are going to face a 3 or a 5% increase, according to what Lisa has to say, likely to be a lot less sympathy for the patrons in the Dáil Bar. Prices are going up for TDs and senators.
Prices have gone up, Anton. It's actually very serious, and I'm very concerned about this.
Remember the great principle from Douglas Adams in The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy? Once you have a towel, that's pretty much all you need to travel. Shane?
I agree. See, there you go.
Thank you so much. We know who's going to line out against France. The Ireland team has been named.
Yeah, it's been named in the last half an hour, Anton. No major surprises. Some reports emerging overnight about the Irish team, and along expected lines, really. Sam Prendergast selected to start at out half. His brother Cian, also part of the Irish team, he's been named in the back row. Jacob Stockdale back into the team. He'll start in the wing, and Jamie Osborne back from injury to start at full back.
So there are two layers to this. Layer one is the people who felt no moral compunction about continuing to interact with a man who was a convicted paedophile. Among them, Elon Musk. Among them, according to what some of the files would reveal, George Mitchell. Now, that is just interaction and correspondence. The next level is the behaviour of those who continue to interact. And that's where we get to Peter Mandelson, because there have been significant allegations made as to the conduct of the former cabinet member, Peter Mandelson.
Are you a Wendy's connoisseur?
Oh, you can't go wrong with a square burger, Joe. It's fierce efficient. I love me a 90-degree angle. That is pretty much it for Newstalk Breakfast this morning. Big thank you to, of course, Darren on the box and Cormac on sound, leading the entire team who have put in so much effort today and in the run-up to make me look marginally less incompetent than I actually am. Coming up after the 9 o'clock news, Claire Byrne is going to be in this seat, and she will be joined by Taoiseach Micheál Martin. We will be back here tomorrow morning at 7, as we will the day after that and the day after that. Until then, from all of us here, bye-bye.